Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm trying out something new, so please I would like to have your feedback if the sound quality is okay, if the lighting is okay. I'm trying to do this unboxing at late hours, so obviously no direct sunlight like I usually do my videos, but I hope the quality will be sufficient. And today I would like to share with you, just fresh came in just today, is the Siege of Terra Solar War map. So this is a Games Workshop limited product, so special edition. This I ordered also the new one at the work. So here is the map. So those who follow my hobby related videos here on YouTube, I also try to upload videos on Warhammer, and one of the currently ongoing series of books is the Siege of Terra, so from Horus Heresy timeline of the Warhammer universe. And this was a complimentary product which Games Workshop did release. Let me check how many of them were made. Usually these go with the same number as books, so around 2050 pieces. Yes, okay, I don't see it at the website, so let's continue with the unboxing. So Blade Library product. The corners here are a little bit damaged. Okay, I hope you can see this right here. So how to open it? This way, yes. This one should have a nice leather bound protective case. Okay, so the map is printed out on a nice fabric type material. So let me show you the other side. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, the logo that was used for the first book, so the Solar War. Soul system here nicely. This is deeply embossed into the leather. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Nice soft leather. Okay. And now let's see the map. Probably I should roll it out the opposite side also. Now this should be good enough for you to see the whole map. Let me just position it right. Okay, so we have here the soul system. Yeah, really nice collector's item. So here the individual planets. Terra is here. Luna, the moon, of course. Battlefleet Solar. Yeah, really nicely made. So obviously, you can have it as a map, rolled inside this nice leather cover, or you can display this. So there is no problem to buy a picture frame and hanging it on the wall. Should be without any problem. So I'm looking into what I will do. Maybe the framing, but yeah, it's really nice. Okay, so this was a shorter video. I hope you did like it. If you have any questions, then please feel free to leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply. Usually, like I always try to mention, I try to produce videos more on the side of the gear, so knives and EDC complementary items, flashlights, watches, and so on. But sometimes also these nice items regarding my other hobbies. So I wish you a wonderful day and see you soon.